Team here is going to start at 12:45. If you're watching online, 12:45 is the time. So right now, get back to your seat, refill your coffee. It's time for the big show. It's time for the big show, which I presented for high school this afternoon. We just had lunch here. We had tacos. You cannot go wrong with tacos. Never. Tacos are a staple. Did you guys enjoy the tacos? I imagine that you did, yes. Thank you for the comments on the tacos. It is 12:45. We have our team here from Broomfield High School. So what are you near? Broomfield High, is that close to Denver? Close to...
It's like right in between Boulder and Denver.
Oh, is it close to Boulder or Denver? Okay, Boulder. Boulder's a pretty cool city, yeah. Yes. We were there once for a national competition many years ago. And it was nice. And we have these nice young people here from Broomfield High School, from Colorado. The floor is yours. Let's get a round of applause. For our online audience, of course, our timing conventions presentations are 5 minutes. So, Broomfield High School, your 5 minutes begin. Look forward to hearing from you.
Envision you are a refugee from Ukraine. You just arrived in Broomfield, Colorado. Now, you didn't ask to move here, and you had to leave your entire life behind. And no one understands you. However, you walk into Broomfield Fish, your local food bank, and you are presented with an app that allows you to shop in the marketplace, translated into your language. My name is Ethan Dorman.
I'm Gloria Erickson.
I'm Coleman Escherbrenner.
And I'm Lennon Wood.
And we are from Broomfield, Colorado. We built this completely free app for Broomfield Fish and their users.
Our problem was that Broomfield Fish needed to overcome language barriers with their patrons in order to share shopping instructions, donation information, and service hours.
Before we even started working on our project for MESA, we realized the integral role that Fish plays in our community through their outreach activities, food drives, and the amount of people that we know that utilize Broomfield Fish's resources. This motivated us to want to help Fish even more.
When we met with Fish for the Fellowship in Serving Humanity, we learned all about how they help utilizing family resources, food security, rent assistance, and transportation assistance. In 2022 alone, they helped 12,553 people.
Now, our app is for 3 different users: Broomfield Fish, their patrons, and their donors. And all of them have different issues that stem from communication. Fish struggles to communicate with their patrons about shopping instructions, with their donors about how and what to donate, and with the general public about their hours of operation.
When meeting with Fish, we learned exactly what they needed for us to create a product that they could actually use. Their main requirement was that it was easily translatable into the top 5 languages that their patrons use. They also wanted it to be easy for any donors to donate.
Our product also needed to easily share information between Fish's users and donors. And finally, we wanted our app to be easily accessible for everyone.
Throughout our project, we utilized the engineering design process to help guide us. The first step of this process is to interview and empathize. That is why we met with Fish once a month to get their input. This is when we pinpointed a problem, because a problem well defined is a problem half solved.
After defining the problem, we thought an app would be perfect for Fish, and they agreed. We then created several prototypes and presented them back to Fish.
Throughout building, we tested our app to gain feedback from Broomfield Fish and other users. We then iterated our design, which entailed adding new languages, deleting certain tabs, and overall changing the app to suit Fish's needs.
The final step was to show the world. This entailed not only whitelisting it on Google Play, but also iOS. We also went and shared it with other food banks in our community to have an even bigger impact.
Now it is time to view the app. You can follow along either up here or with Coleman and Glory, which will be showing you up close. The first page of the app is the homepage. It displays Fish's mission statement as well as their shopping hours. It also has the ability to display a header to notify users of special events and closures. If you swipe left on the homepage, you can view Fish's shopping instructions, which are step-by-step directions on how to shop in their free marketplace.
The most important feature of their app is the language tab. This allows the shopping instructions and homepage to translate from English into Spanish, Russian, Ukrainian, and Chinese, allowing users from all backgrounds to utilize our app and Fish's resources.
After that is the items needed tab. This allows Fish to easily relay what they need most in their marketplace. After that is the donations. This is in a card format, and when you click on one of the cards, it shows more information as well as a link leading to an external website where you can directly donate.
The final page of our app, the calendar, allows users to see exactly Fish's hours of operation and special events. It is also sourced through a Google Calendar, so it is very easy for Fish to edit and change events.
We have gotten so much gratitude from not only Fish, but from their clientele as well. Our app is currently up and running in the marketplace, so no matter what your background, you can shop with ease. Moreover, Sharon Oliver, the operations manager, stated, "Your team understood participant privacy concerns and worked with us on that. This meant that not only did our team understand, but we made sure that users were safe and secure using our app."
After publishing the app for Fish, we worked with 2 other food banks, Harvest of Hope and Community Food Share, to create more apps for them. And as of now, we have created an app for Community Food Share and are still working on one for Harvest of Hope. And we plan to keep reaching out to more food banks to build more apps.
This shows that it is not only a question of if our app will have an impact, but how big our impact will be.
Thank you so much for listening to our presentation. We hope our app will continue to have an impact in our community, state, country, and maybe even the world. If you would like to view the app yourself, you can do so on either Google Play or in your browser by scanning any of the QR codes on the back of our business cards or in our brochures. Thank you for your time.